Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Riley from Inside Out 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw a curve up and back down on the left. Then leave a gap and let's do the same on the right. Now let's zoom in to draw the rest of the face. Let's close off the bottom of each eye with a curve across. And now inside each eye towards the center, let's draw a circle. And then inside, let's draw another circle in the center. And then color both of these in black. And then another small circle on the top right. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw a few small eyelashes on the top corners. And that's it for the eyes, and now let's hop out and let's start drawing the shape of the face. Let's start with a line down on both sides. And then curve it towards the center for the chin. Now let's hop back inside and let's draw the nose. Let's start with a curve across in the center. And now underneath, let's draw a larger curve for the mouth. And another curve under this one. Now inside, let's draw the teeth by drawing a curve near the top, and then a line down the center, and then two more on both sides. Now inside each of the teeth, let's draw a small square for the braces. And then a curve across. And lastly, underneath, let's draw a small curve across for the tongue. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop out and let's draw the ears. On both sides of the head, let's add a curve. And now let's hop up and let's add the hair. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve down to the left and back up. Now another curve over. Then hop up and another one down to the ear and back up like this. And then another curve on top of this one. Now let's move back over to the top right and let's draw a small bump over. And then a large wavy curve down and up. Now for the right side of the hair, let's draw a curve down. And then another one on top down to the ear. And then add a curve up from the bottom. Now for the top of the head, let's draw a curve across in the center. And then a bump out and down on both sides. and then one more curve down to close off the top of the head. Next, for the head, we're going to hop in and draw the eyebrow. On top of the right eye, let's draw a curve going down. Then bring it up from the center, and then another curve going down on top. And that's it for the head for now. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw a curve down and then bring it out on both sides for the neck. And then let's curve it down, meeting at a point. Now inside this section, let's draw two curves across for the top of the t-shirt. Now let's move next to the neck and let's draw a curve across on both sides. And then curve it back down towards the center for the hood. Now underneath both sides, let's draw the drawstring by drawing a line down, a small circle, and then one more line underneath. Next, let's hop out and we're going to draw a line down on both sides for the sides of the torso. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another curve near the bottom here. And then add some striped lines inside. Now let's add the zipper down the center of the hoodie. From the top, let's draw two angled lines down and a line across the bottom. And then add a small black square inside. Then under the zipper, let's draw a line down the center. Now on both sides of this line, let's add the pockets. Let's start with a line down on both sides. Then a line out from the top. And then curve it down and out. Now let's move down to the bottom and let's draw the bottom of the t-shirt with a curve across. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move out and draw the arms. Let's start on the sides underneath the hood and let's draw a line down. And then curve it back in at the bottom. Now inside at the bottom, let's add another curve across. And some striped lines inside. Now underneath, let's add the hands. Let's start with a curve down and back up for the thumbs. Then an angle on the outside. And then curve it in and back up like this for the rest of the fingers. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start with a line down on both sides. And then let's bring it down again. And then two lines down for the inside of the legs. Then hop up from the bottom and let's draw a curve across for the top of the socks. Now let's add the shoes at the bottom. Let's angle both of the feet outwards. And then a curve underneath. Now from the bottom corners, let's bring it down. And then another curve at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve up at the bottom here. Then we're going to bring it up and out. And then a curve at the top. Lastly, for the shoes, let's draw the laces. Let's draw two curves going out and then X shape underneath. And that's it for the shoes. Lastly, let's move back up and let's add the ponytail. On the left side of the head, let's draw a curve down and curve it up at the end. Then let's curve it back in and continue it up next to the neck. And that's it for Riley. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!